Now the next obstacle is to determine the how. So let's look at this slide. These are various government projects, various options wherein government was able to pursue these projects. Option 1, procurement. Now option 2, donations. And the other option, like the one in New Park City, which we will discuss this afternoon, would be public-private partnership. So, yan po si Chairman Pato, nagkakamot ng ulo. There are 3 doors in front of him. Will he or PSC enter door number 1, which is procurement, using government money? Will PSC enter door number 2, use the expertise and capital and funds of the private sector? And option number 3, just to complete the picture, would be government can privatize or sell its assets. When you enter door number 2, there are other doors. Will PSC follow the PPP code? Can PSC adopt its own guidelines on PPP, or are there other relevant laws?